absolutely stunning. This home is perfect in every way, with upgrades galore. The kitchen has been updated with cherrywood cabinets, soft close hinges, polished brass hardware on cabinets and drawers, as well as granite countertops, and all new stainless steel appliances still under warranty. The large family room with soaring 20-foot ceilings and beautiful gas fireplace with a soaring stone wall are not to be missed. A large bonus room on the main floor can be used as a first-floor master suite, guest quarters, in-law suite, office, or man cave. 4 large bedrooms upstairs. The master bedroom has a see-through gas fireplace, remodeled, from floor to ceiling, and suite bathroom makes this large master a dream. The home also boasts a fully finished walkout basement that is all the room you'll need for the kids or entertainment. All doors throughout the home have been upgraded to solid, 6-panel wood doors. The resort-style backyard boasts an in-ground Gunite pool, covered porch with gas fireplace, BBQ, trellis, gazebo and more. Over $100,000 was put into this resort-type setting. This home has over $300,000 in extras, upgrades, and it shows. This home has been meticulously maintained and cared for and is a great home offering spectacular value in a highly desired section of Wall Township. Wall TWP Schools, Allenwood Elementary, close to Main St Manasquan, and J Transit train station in downtown Manasquan and Manasquan beaches, along with river access just down the street, all make this the perfect home in the perfect setting. A commuter's dream at the Jersey Shore, this home is located just minutes to the Garden State Parkway, I-195, Route 18, 34, 35, & 70, making it close and convenient for anyone looking to live at the Jersey Shore, enjoy the lifestyle and commute.